Holy smokes. This is insane. There's moments in tech when you feel like the shift is happening. It's not subtle, it's not gradual. It's the kind that you look at the screen and you think, what just changed? And the whole world is changing. And that's exactly what happened when I opened up the new HighLevel AI Studio. Now, I've built lots of funnels, lots of websites, and usually that means planning pages, building the forms, connecting all the back-end pieces, tweaking the layouts, testing the mobiles, all that kind of stuff. This time I typed just a few instructions and watched it build the entire site for me. Not just the pages, but the forms, the images, the structure, even the SEO pieces. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, how to turn it on, and how to start building your own websites and landing pages in minutes instead of days and save oodles of money. Stick with me to the end because I'm also going to share a link to my Carousel architect that I use building that supporting content so that you can get your stuff out the door. That alone is going to save you hours every week. Okay. So let me share my screen here and we will get started. And I have to tell you, literally, just last week I did a webinar and things have already changed. So you have to just stay on top of what's happening. So let me change. Hold on a second. Got too many windows open here. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to say you can take a screenshot of this. Basically, these are the steps. You're going to have to go into your settings, turn on this AI Studio because it's brand new, and then we'll go from there. So take a quick picture of this, and then here's how easy it is. So I'm inside of HighLevel. And let me just say this, if you do not, over here on the left, if you do not see this AI Studio, so if you're under somebody's agency, then they might have to turn it on for you, okay? Bottom line is if you don't see it and you're under somebody else, reach out to them. But if you're your own agency and you have the ability, come down here to settings, click on settings, and then scroll down near the bottom, you'll see labs. So just a little side note, this is where all the goodness is happening as far as what's coming out. Some of these things are like this one, it won't be live for half a year from now. Okay, some of them will be live very soon. Some of them are already live. So you can just take a minute, go through here and figure out what things you want to turn on, all that kind of stuff. But what we're focusing on today is this AI Studio. So make sure that it's turned on. So over here to the right, make sure that you turn that little button on. Okay, then over here on the left, let's go back. And then let's come down to sites. Now, I'm going to show you the old way first. Under sites, if you opened up a page, let's just, let me open up this one here. And if you added, so I'm just going to add a new, actually, well, yeah, let me just do it here. I just want to see you, show you the old way so that you can see what the new way should be like, okay? And literally, just last week, I was teaching this, okay? So I've just opened up this page. I'm going to edit it. Basically, I'm showing you what not to do. But if you fall down that rabbit hole, you'll know. Before, we were coming into here, asking AI, then we were coming over here to the build, and then we were putting everything here. Don't even have to do that anymore. All right, so I'm going to back all the way out. And because we turned on the labs, we're going to go to AI Studio. Notice it says beta. So in other words, they're still working out the kinks and stuff. Don't stress about it. We're on the cutting edge. So buckle up, baby, and let's go. If you've done any kind of what they call vibe coding, this might look a little familiar to you. Basically, HighLevel has attached itself to some of the premium AI tools out there so that you can do everything in one place. I mean, how awesome is this? So you just tell it what you want to do. So I'm going to say, let's build a landing page for a lawn maintenance business. Okay, now let me come back here for a quick second. Just like everything else with AI, garbage in, garbage out. Okay, so the more details that you give it, especially up front, it's going to give you a better result on the back end. And cost wise, right now, I don't know if HighLevel's even figured out how much all this is going to cost. If you were using a third party vibe coder, the more back and forth, then that's when you start seeing the costs go up. It's still tons cheaper. You know, I mean, you could build something awesome for $20 compared to $1,500. Okay. I hate saying that because that's what I've been doing the last couple years, building funnels and websites for people. But no worries. We're all in this together and we're transitioning, okay? Put a few minutes into thinking about how you want to build this, what information. If you have some websites that you like, the look and feel, if you know what your branding is going to be for this, the more details, the better. But I'm just going to do it really quick and dirty here so you can see what's going to happen. And I'm just going to say, give me some photos of nice looking yards. I have no idea about this business, so I'm just shooting from the hip. And I'm just going to say, add some interactive elements on this page. And let's use, I'm just going to say a nice green. How's that for garbage in, garbage out? Okay. Color palette. If I can spell, I don't think I spelled that right. But the nice thing about AI, it can correct the spelling, but we'll just leave it like that and let it do it. Also, add an opt-in form for how to keep your grass green during those dry months. Totally making this up, okay? So we'll just hit that and it starts working. Now here's, whoops. You didn't get to see me typing, but that's okay. So if we look over here to the left, I just, that's everything that I typed in, and then I hit the button, and now look what it's doing. So it's building this page. Now I'm seeing a lot of blue in here, so, but I'm just going to let it do its thing. Quite honestly, like minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, and this is going to be done. Now, once we get it completed, and let me come back over here to this page for a quick minute. Once it gets completed, then what we want to do is get into the update refine page. So I'm very visual, so I need at least that first draft to see. Once I see something, I know what I like. It's very hard to articulate, to tell someone else what I like, but once I see it. And then after that, we can hook it to our domain or grab a domain, publish it, and we're good to go for that. Okay, so let's just come back here and see. Looks like it's still working a little bit. Another thing that I'm going to mention is over here at the bottom left, notice there's that little plus sign. Now, if you already had your images and, you know, let's say you had client images and they were saying it was okay to share those, or images of something that you've already produced, you could upload those right out of the gate. If you're building a prototype, or if you're doing this for other people and you're building a prototype for them, then I would just use out of the can. Just let AI here generate it, and then you can just go back and say, okay, now replace these images. Okay, so it's continuing to add that. Now, while this is working, let me just talk about another page that literally I built just right before I hopped on here. I can't navigate out of this inside of GoHighLevel, but let me see if I can open this up while this is building. Here's an app that I built, Carousel Architect. So what this does, now you've got your baby built. What do? You need to promote it on social media. So this is an app that I built that literally within 30 seconds, you can generate dozens of carousel ideas, gives you those AI power hooks, and then gives you all of the content, and then you can drop it into Canva or whatever, and you're good to go. Now this landing page here is just kind of so-so. It's not super exciting. So what I just did with GoHighLevel before I started this video is I was kind of basic in the directions that I was giving it, but I also gave it this web page to work off of. Now, I don't know if you could hear, but there was a little beep, and it was just telling me it was done. Woo-wee! Look at this. Are you guys impressed? Okay, I have to just come back here for a second. 5 minutes, and it did this. And it even gave it a name and stuff. Again, the more information you give it, the more powerful it will be. But let's just take a quicker look here. It created the FAQ. It has a little footer down at the bottom. Now, remember I said we're building a prototype. So initially, unless I had all this stuff just in my back pocket, I would give it everything. But, now you just have to go back in and make those tweaks. And so you would give it the links to your privacy policy, terms of service, all that kind of stuff. But notice here, it built the form. It is like good to go. And then at this point, we would just come up here and we would publish it. Just a couple little things here. We would just need to connect it, but it's built like everything. I'm just so impressed with this, okay? I don't think at this point, these pages go anyplace, but it looks like it's all set for blogging here. How cool is that? Now, let me go out of this. And then down here at the bottom, this is the one that I had just built, literally 5 minutes before I hopped on here. And let's just do a quick preview of this. So you remember the other page that I had created for this app, and now this is it. And honestly, I did not put much thought into this. I just gave it the link of where my web builder or my app builder was, and I said I need a nice landing page for this. I told it to give me a placeholder to put a little see it in action video here. I think this looks pretty good. I told it, let's just stick with the blues, all that kind of stuff. So I'm pretty happy with it. I would probably just change a little bit, but not much. So then at this, once I'm ready to go, like I say, I would just go ahead and click the publish, get going with that. If I wanted to tweak it just a little more, let me see. I'm just going to tell it, let's eliminate the read creator stories and build this section out more. And then we'll just see what it does. I think I also would like to have something kind of interactive on this. I've got the video here, but you know, maybe, I don't know, a little headline that goes across or something. Now, as it's working here, I could add more, but it's going to just continue. It kind of truncates things. Okay. So it's working. You probably can't see it here, but it's just working on that. Okay. So tell me the truth. Are you blown away by this? I mean, I can't even keep up. And I kind of live on the edge of technology. I love it. But I feel like my brain's about to explode. I don't know. I don't know if you are, but holy smokes. So, because everything is speeding so quickly, you as the author, the coach, the content creator, whatever it is that you're doing, you have got to be fast. You've got to get your ideas out there. You have to get into the mainstream, and don't try to be perfect. You just need to jump into the game. So instead of struggling with tech, because quite honestly, that was where most of my clients have struggled in the past, there's no excuse here. Okay. Inside of my AI Business Academy, I know what you're thinking, and that's why I built this. You're probably thinking, even though things are getting easier, I don't want to do this on my own. Again, inside of the AI Business Academy, we just don't talk about the tools. We actually implement them together. So it's just not one of those log in and watch the videos. We get the step-by-step guidance, plus just for a window until I hit a certain number of people. When you come inside of AI Business Academy, you get included in the membership your own HighLevel account in my agency. That in itself is $97 if you just went on the street and bought it today. Let's get your baby out there in the world. Let's stop piecing things together and start building these smarter systems. Okay, so I will put a link down below for the AI Business Academy, and also I'll have a link for the Carousel Architect. And then, you might as well get both of them. And hey, let me just share this one more time, because it looked like it replaced that. So let's just take a quick look here and see what it did. Okay, so I like this. So now it's doing this and just putting in. This is a good note here, because I did not give it any social media or testimonials, anything like that. So of course it's just making up something. So you would just want to add your own here. Okay, but I think that's really good. And one other thing that I forgot to mention, up here at the top, if we click the little button, it goes from desktop to tablet to mobile. I tell you what, creating things for mobile used to be a major pain in the you-know-what. And look at this. Looks beautiful, don't you think? I don't know about you, but all I want to do is just look around and just build all of these pages, because it is so fun and so exciting. So anyway, as always, thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, would you share this video with some of your favorite people that you think would benefit from it? And always give me a little love, subscribe, thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. Put your questions below. Make sure that you grab those links, and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.